This is That Fire Guy, and welcome to Fire Alarms 101. In today's video, we will be discussing how to disable knacks by group on your Silent Night fire alarm control panel. Step 1. Press the right arrow key to access the menu. You may be prompted to enter a password. Step 2. Press 2 for point functions, then press 1 to disable enable point. Step 4. Press 3 to disable knacks by group, then press enter. For today's video, this is General Alarm Output Group 1. You may need to, however, disable and then enable additional groups. The notification circuits are now disabled. Follow the same procedure until you get to step 4 to enable the notification circuits. Be sure to make the proper notification that your testing and/or repairs are completed and verify your signals with Central Station. Be safe out there, everyone, and thanks for watching. Drop a comment below and let me know what you all think, and if you like what you see, subscribe for more great videos like this in the future.